Got the travel bug? My name is Nikki.
And my name is Matt. We've been together for over 3 years. We currently live in the Peach City of Atlanta, Georgia.
Welcome to our journey. Together, we have been to over 40 different countries.
Anywhere is home for us.
To each adventure its own.
To every place we visit.
We leave a piece of us behind.
Making connections. Trying new foods.
Taking the scenic route.
And embracing the culture.
Every trip might not go as planned.
But it's always worth the journey. Why not make traveling a career?
Subscribe to join our Unsettled journey.